friends, welcome to the session. I am Malika. We are going to discuss how to form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions if they exist by any algebraic method. Our problem is a fraction becomes 1 upon 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator and it becomes 1 upon 4 when 8 is added to the denominator. Find the fraction. So let's start with the solution. There are two unknown quantities, that is the numerator and the denominator. So, first of all, let us assume let the numerator be x and let the denominator be y. Therefore, fraction equal to x upon y. Now, according to question, we see that when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, that is x minus 1, then our fraction reduces to 1 upon 3. So, this implies on cross multiplication, we get 3 into x minus 1 equal to y. This implies 3x minus 3 equal to y. This implies 3x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. Let this be our first equation. Now, again from the question, we see that when 8 is added to the denominator, that is x upon y plus 8, then our fraction becomes 1 upon 4. This implies on cross multiplication we get 4x equal to y plus 8. This implies 4x minus y minus 8 equal to 0. This is our second equation. Therefore, the equations are (3x minus y minus 3 equal to 0). This is our first equation, and 4x minus y minus 8 equal to 0. This is our second equation. Now, we will compare both of these equations with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. We get a1 equal to 3, a2 equal to 4, b1 equal to minus 1, b2 equal to minus 1, c1 equal to minus 3, c2 equal to minus 8. Now, by cross multiplication, we have x upon b1c2 minus c1b2 equal to y upon c1a2 minus c2a1 equal to 1 upon a1b2 minus b1a2. Therefore, x upon minus 1 into minus 8 minus of minus 3 into minus 1 equal to y upon minus 3 into 4 minus of minus 8 into 3 equal to 1 upon 3 into minus 1 minus of minus 1 into 4. This implies x upon 8 minus 3 equal to y upon minus 12 plus 24 equal to 1 upon minus 3 plus 4. This implies x upon 5 equal to y upon 12 equal to 1 upon 1. Therefore, x upon 5 equal to 1 upon 1, or we can say x equal to 5. Similarly, y upon 12 equal to 1 upon 1 or y equal to 12. Therefore, fraction equal to x upon y equal to 5 upon 12. Now, hence, the equations are three x minus y minus 3 equal to 0 and 4x minus y minus 8 equal to 0, where x and y are the numerator and denominator. And fraction equal to 5 upon 12. So, hope you understood the solution and enjoyed the session. Goodbye and take care.